Hello, my name is Jackie, and today I'm going to show you how to use a new form in an environment just for one user. I have a very simple process app here in Composer with two forms, a state form and transition form. I want to create a new form. This could be a new state or transition form, or for maybe a new submit. So I'm just going to create this state form. Let's just call it new state form, so it's easily recognizable. It will create us a standard form using all the columns, just so I can easily identify that this is a new form. I'm going to put some text in here. So when we do the testing, we can very easily see that we're using this new form here. Okay, I'm going to deploy this process app so the new form is available and wait for it to complete. Okay, that has now completed. Okay, so if I'm in Work Center, I've got this process app, test new form. Very simple form, and this is the current state form, it's just working. So what I want to do is, rather than all my users switch to the new form straight away, I just want to test how it looks against my production data, for example, with the new form without affecting any users. So to do this, I go to the actions on the right. I need to copy the URL to clipboard, Control-C. I'm just going to pop that so you can see it easily into Notepad. And then I want to tell it to use the new form. So I'm going to add on the end an ampersand, form name, and then equals new state form. Just going to copy this URL, and I'm just going to now pop it into this tab. And you see this has opened exactly the same item, but it's using my new state form, not the one that it normally uses. Thank you.